Hi. The big thing for me this week has been I've launched my Patreon. Um, so this was a kind of consequence of what happened last week with the Delta Green book, which you can still buy it if you were on my mailing list and you got the discount link, but it's not for sale, and I'm going to be revamping it and making it system neutral. But anyway, as a consequence of that, I had been playing with the idea of having a patron uh, where I create the rules for free, so I'm not selling them. Basically, the patrons can download my personal rules, sort of thing. So everything be done for my personal benefit, and then you can just download it. That was the initial idea. Then I started gathering a few more ideas. What makes good tiers for a patron, and I uh, built it over the weekend. It went live on Monday, and I'm pleased to say I've got at least one patron. Uh, One of the things you get with the patron is um, even at the lowest tier, just the kind of supporter tier, you can download my entire back catalogue of solo stuff. Um, and what I've done is I've gone through every single thing and put a $0 discount link, um, listed them all in one big document and put it up there. So as soon as you join, you've got access to everything. And then from then on, you get there's early access, there's at cost print. So I'm using uh, all the suggestions I've had so far, um, and you taken bits from the way Kickstarters work as well with the sort of fulfillment. And so that's it. And also one of the big things I wanted to include was using it as a feedback thing. So telling me what you want me to write for next. And so that's in there as well. Everyone, regardless of what tier you join at, you get access to that. So yeah, that's really quite exciting. And yeah, it's something I've been toying with for probably nearly a year and never got around to. And now it's done. So it's something else I can tick off, something else I can feed back on how it goes. Um, the biggest patrons in sort of the solo space are looking at 200 supporters. Um, you know, if I hit that, I would be very, very happy. Um, Obviously, some of the biggest role-playing patrons have got over 1,000 supporters, and that's actually what I'm going to strive for. Um, but yeah, there's no point aiming low, is there? So yeah, that's it. That's really what's been consuming my week. Regarding the Delta Green book, I'm revamping that and turning it into two products. One will be a system neutral D100 Cthulhu um, of Oracle book. It's just sort of sanitizing the PDF I've already got. But I'm also going to build a card deck from it because I created so many random tables for that book. And there's other things that I think I could add on. So each little card would be like a little fact file with, say, some details about an NPC, sort of their nationality, random name, of just a few bits. Using this person does not exist is as a sort of source. Um, I quoted a few sources in the back of that Delta Green book, and I want to use those to create a deck of cards. So yeah, that's in the pipeline. It shouldn't take, neither of them should take very long um, to construct. One's just editing, and the other one is just constructing a card deck. And of course, I'm still working on the Dungeon Crawl Classics, where that's advancing quite nicely, and I think I'm going to hit all my deadlines for that. If you've looked at the blog, you'll see that I've set myself a deadline for Dungeon Con for that one. So that's it. That's my week. Yeah, if you want to check out the Patreon, it is patreon.com/ppm games. I would love to have more supporters. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you very much for watching.